How to see how many calories you burn on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the fitness app on your phone. The fitness app serves as a central hub to track your activity, monitor progress toward goals, and access personalized workouts. You will then be taken to the summary page. On this page, you can view your fitness summary such as the activity ring, step count, step distance and more. From here, go to Activity Ring. Over here, tap on any day on the calendar to view the activity summary for that day. As you can see, you can view the calories that you burnt in the Move section below. You can also view the steps, distance, flights climbed and more for that specific day. Repeat this to view your calories information for the other days as well. Following these steps, you can easily see how many calories you burn on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.